If you want to record calls on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just call someone. For example, I will call this contact. Now after the other side answers the call, then tap on the three dots over here and select call recording. Now after you do that, you will start call recording on your iPhone. But just remember that when you enable call recording, the other side will be notified that you're recording the call. Now once you're done call recording, just tap on the red icon over here and you will stop call recording. Now after you've done that, and if you want to find the calls which you have recorded, just open the Notes app, and as you can see, under the folder section, you will find the section for call recordings. Now if you tap on it, and as you can see over here, you will find all the calls which you have recorded. Just like that. And this is how you can record calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.